When the house was newly renovated by ExtendAHome, I felt as if we'd doubled our house size. I just felt as if this was really the home that would set us up for the next 10 years. The renovation was important to get us a bit more space so we could continue to grow in the same house. We really like the area, we're really comfortable in this house.
The boys are upstairs in their own bedroom with a TV room so they can sort of entertain their friends upstairs without disrupting the rest of the house. Our daughter now has her space as a 14-year-old, that's important. And Trent has his own study space where he can work every day uninterrupted.
The way they designed and built into it, it felt a lot larger, like we got a lot more bang for the buck than we expected we would.
Their processes are so professional. There's different departments to manage different parts of the process. Any question was answered straight away. Nothing was left to chance. We never ever felt like we weren't sure what was coming next, or there were no surprises.
Dealing with people who really understand that process, they're honest and talk you through what they're doing, that's invaluable. You have to have that. And you know, for us, the outcome that we've gotten is this is exactly the house that we love. We didn't want it fundamentally changed. We just wanted to get the extra space and not take away from the age and the beauty of the home. And as soon as we said that that was our priority, they worked towards that.
I agree wholeheartedly with what Trent said. They took a scary process and made it very easy for us, and I highly recommend them. And if we ever do another renovation or a build, I'll be going straight there.